Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Quiz. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is excellent. Let's get started. Good luck. I stayed home. It was raining. Right answer is B, because. He is better maths than his brother. Right answer is A, at. I saw eagle flying above the tree. Right answer is C, Ann. If he had studied, he passed the test. Right answer is A, would have. I was tired. I kept working. Right answer is B, but. You wear a helmet while riding a bike. Right answer is C, must. He can drive. Right answer is B, can't he? He walked the room silently. Right answer is A, into. He to the office by car. Right answer is C, goes. He is rich, unhappy. Right answer is A, but. The cat is hiding. The sofa. Right answer is C, under. We to the zoo last weekend. Right answer is B, went. You follow the rules. Right answer is C, must. We waited. The train arrived. Right answer is C, until. She playing the piano when I arrived. Right answer is A, was. It's unique idea. Right answer is CA. My homework before dinner. Right answer is B, had finished. The shop is the corner. Right answer is B, at. My mother is proud, me. Right answer is C, of. He has been working here. January. Right answer is B, since. A doctor when I grow up. Right answer is B, will be. She is both smart, kind. Right answer is C, and. The train has been late, morning. Right answer is C, since. Many a student failed this exam. Right answer is A, has. My brother, to play cricket every evening. Right answer is C, likes.